Hi, my name is Chris Schoonhoven, and I just want to leave a review for Morris Invest, as I've worked with them on acquiring a property now and would like to look forward to acquiring more in the future with them. Initially, I got started with Morris Invest because I was listening to Clayton's podcast, and Clayton is in a situation where I aspire to be at, which is being financially free because of the passive income coming in from my rental real estate portfolio. So by listening to him, it got me, interested in just learning more about what their team does. So I reached out to the team. I set up a call where they reached out to me and we discussed kind of my goals and my aspirations and what I was looking for from partnering with them. And they shared what they basically do when partnering with somebody who does look to acquire a property with Morris Invest. So after that, we found a property that fit my portfolio, that aligned with my goal, and I acquired it with them. And what I would say, I guess, that stands out is the amount of communication that they've, you know, have continually impressed upon me with regards to the whole entire process, and kind of like keeping me in the loop with everything, and also making me feel comfortable that I was making the right decision. So that's why I think, they've been just really a pleasure to work with, and I look forward to hopefully acquiring more properties through Morris Invest in the near future.